Hi friends! Today I'll teach you 5 useful English phrases that go beyond the basics. I'll show you how to use them in different situations so you sound more natural and confident. Phrase 1. I'm not sure. I follow. Meaning, you didn't understand what someone said? Example 1. I'm not sure. I follow. Could you explain that again? Example 2. Wait. I'm not sure. I follow. Do you mean the meeting is cancelled? Phrase 2. That's a good point, but meaning, agree politely, then add your opinion. Example 1. That's a good point, but I think we should also consider the budget. Example 2. That's a good point, but maybe we need more time to prepare. Phrase 3. I'll keep that in mind. Meaning, you acknowledge advice or information. Example 1. Thanks for the tip. I'll keep that in mind for next time. Example 2. I'll keep that in mind when I write my essay. Phrase 4. It's not a big deal. Meaning, something is not serious or important. Example 1. Don't worry about being late. It's not a big deal. Example 2. It's not a big deal if we change the plan. Phrase 5. Let's call it a day. Meaning, stop working for now. Example 1. We've done enough for today. Let's call it a day. Example 2. It's late. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. These phrases help you sound more natural in everyday conversations. Try use them this week and you'll notice how much smoother your English feels. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons every Wednesday and Friday.